Good morning, everybody. Trippin' Sister here, right here, in the Striking Viking. Welcome to the Aristopats Adventure and Travel Channel. Mr. Viking is going to explain what the adventure is today. Hopefully we'll get finished today.
Hello all, 'tis I, the Striking Viking, coming to you from Move In, you say? Okay. It is I, the Striking Viking, coming to you from deep in the heart of the urban farm with yet another adventure. I have my bracelet of power. I have my knee brace of stability. And as you can see, we have 2 coops. By the end of the day, theoretically, both of those coops will become 1 coop on a platform. I'm disassembling part of our garden, building a platform, and with a little bit of jiggery pokey and Bob's your uncle, it's going to be laminated together into 1 large coop for our girls, who are even now cackling and clucking and producing cackleberries. In any case, we're just getting started. I'll follow up. Howdy y'all, he said, with his bracelet of strength and his knee brace of stability. We have now reached the end of phase 1, which was taking out that portion of the garden. Behind the Trippin' Sister is a pile of supplies which we are going to recycle in our new effort. And this is where the platform is going to go. That house will go up, this house will go over, and likewise up. They'll be laminated together. And we'll have 1 giant coop, 1 Chateau Poulet Hen Dominium. So we finished cleaning this up for now, and that may in fact be as far as we go for today. But keep tripping. Hey everybody, Striking Viking here, and welcome to phase 2 of our little project. The sister's getting distracted by the hens. Phase 2, in which we build the platform. We have the wood, we have the plywood, we have the legs which I have just constructed. We have my mighty band of power holding the screws for me. And I'm about to fix these legs thusly, and then what we'll do is flip it up on its head, and then we can start putting on the plywood. It is 67.5 inches wide by 8 inches long. Coincidentally, those 2 coops together are 67.5 inches wide by, you guessed it, 80 inches long. So we'll get the platform set up, we'll move 1 coop to the east, we'll put the coop on the platform, we'll move the other coop to the east, put that coop on the platform, combine the coops to form 1 mighty Hen Dominium. And that's the plan for today. So we'll see how we get on. We'll keep you posted. Part 2B, in which we take the platform. I have in my hot little hand a roll of hardware cloth. I'm going to take the hardware cloth and we're going to line this side and that side down to the bottom and then up at a 90-degree angle, so that when we place this on the ground, the hardware cloth will already be in place. And then we still have that side and possibly the side that's butting up against the coop yet to do. In any case, I'm hot and I'm just getting started. I'm going to carry on and we'll see you in a bit.